Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. Obviously I have to move for Zena. I'm Laura. Wyatt's off camera. He's the white puppy dog. Hopefully you'll see him at some point. I am back today with another collaboration with my favorite ladies on YouTube. You might remember many of them from our black tank collab. So we are back today to talk about what to wear to a summer barbecue. Hopefully everybody is getting out and about again, and we're starting to have those get-togethers and seeing our friends and hanging out, and you're gonna get to get dressed again and go out. So let's talk about what to wear to those summer barbecues. I have a few ideas for you I'm about to share. We're gonna get right into it, but before I do, please do hit that like, hit that subscribe, hang out with me. Would love you to also check out all the ladies that are also going to share some amazing ideas with you. I will put all of their information down below as well as a playlist so that you can easily check out all of their amazing ideas. All right, let's do this. Okay, so the first outfit I'm going to share with you was one I put together today just for my day, but I decided this one would be a great outfit for a backyard barbecue. A day one that's casual, getting together with friends, you're hanging out during the day, and you want to be comfy, and it's going to be hot outside. An easy pair of linen pants and a fun print, flat shoes that'll be able to last all day and not hurt your feet, and a tank. And last but not least, and I don't wear a lot of jewelry, I just have earrings on and a bracelet. Not a lot of jewelry because if you're hot, jewelry tends to just get in the way. And last but not least, you want to take a bag. A lot of times if I am just going to be taking a few things off, my husband will put them all in his pockets. But if you want a bag, I love a little straw bag, your lip gloss, your phone, your money, all the essentials right inside a little bag. All right, that's outfit number one. Here's a closer look. I will put where I got all of these items down below for you. But what if you want a little bit more of a casual look? All right, so this one is slightly more casual, but still has a day vibe. Would go into the evening, you could add a jacket. Still have the clear sandals, same jewelry, one and done kind of outfit. Whereas the other one with the linen and the tank, a little bit of a midriff with that one, but you could tuck in a tank. I felt was a little bit more dressy, right? But this one, much more on the comfortable side, terry kind of fabric, and tank style. I didn't put a necklace on because when you're in the sunshine and you might be getting hot, you tend to not want all of that. Just another option. I do love a romper for an outing. In fact, I just went to a graduation party last night and I put on a romper. It was a little bit dressier, more of a silky material, but I love a romper for the get-togethers. So I think this would also be great for a day graduation party. That one we went to was in the evening. But what if you have something that you want to get a little bit more dressed up for and it's going to be in the evening? What would you wear then? All right, so this is my third and final look for you today. I could have gone maxi dress, but I decided to go a little on the wild side for my evening look. Loving a strapless one-piece little jumpsuit. This one has like the beach pant vibe, a little bit of that tropical look. And I love this one. It came from Venus. Again, I'll put all the information down below for you. Switched out my jewelry a little bit with this one to the gold, as well as added a little bit of a heel. Amped up the look a little bit for a little bit dressier. Gold bracelets, gold necklace. Switched out my palm earrings for gold. Of course, don't forget your bag. And you have a much different look. No pockets in this one. But overall, I think this is a great barbecue look when it's an evening event. All right, that is all my looks for you. Please make sure you do go check all the other ladies. They've worked so hard to put all these together. Tell them I sent you. Please hit like, subscribe, hang out with us, and I will put all the information down below about my outfits as well as the playlist so you can check everyone else out. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I'm off to my barbecue.